Hello everyone and welcome back again to my channel. And for those who don't know me, my name is Chima Godwin and I talk about everything skincare and beauty. Okay, so today's video is going to be about people with dark skin tone. So if you know you have a dark skin tone and you want your skin to glow, you want to have a glowing, you want to have this melanin popping kind of skin, well, this video is definitely for you. Okay, so guys, yeah, this video, like I said, is for people with dark skin tone. So if you don't know if you have a dark skin tone, well, if your skin tone falls within this range, well, you should know that you have a dark skin tone. Okay, if your skin tone falls within this range, then you should know that you have a dark skin tone. So what exactly determines a person's skin tone? Now, what determines a person's skin tone is the color of their melanin. So if your melanin is dark, or rather I would say whatever color your melanin is, that is what determines your skin tone. Okay, and now the factors that determine your skin tone, or rather I would say the color of your melanin, has to do with genetics. Major genetics. Either your parents, either of your parents or maybe your grandparents is that particular skin tone, then you fall within that skin tone. Now, for people who feel like the dark skin is not beautiful or is not fine, I am here to tell you that the dark skin tone is one of the best skin tones ever. You know, some people feel like dark skin tone is not beautiful. Well, that is wrong. Dark skin tone is beautiful. Like when you see people that have this melanin popping looking skin, you admire them. Honestly, having a very good, fresh, clean, bright dark skin tone and someone who has a rough, fair skin, who do you think people will actually want to talk to, or who do you think people will actually prefer? People will prefer the person who has a better skin, a fine, dark looking skin, than someone who has a rough and uneven, fair skin. Okay, so the thing is, we just have to understand that you need to embrace your skin tone. If you have a dark skin tone, embrace it. Do not start buying products that will take you to 2 shades, 3 shades, 4 shades lighter. Do not do that, because let me tell you, even when you start doing those things, if you start bleaching your skin, because it is called bleaching, if you start bleaching your skin today, do you know that you're going to find it very difficult to stop? And when you continually bleach your skin will end up like this. Yeah, your skin will end up, I'm sure you guys have seen people like this before. You guys have seen people who look like this. Yeah, your skin will actually end up like this. So if you know you don't want that, you don't want all those, you don't want your skin to look bad, then forget what anyone is telling you about lightening up your skin. All you need to do as a dark skin tone person is to glow your skin. Get rid of all those skin concerns like your hyperpigmentation, your dark spots, your acne. Get rid of those things and brighten your and get products that will help to glow up your skin. Get products that suit your skin tone, that are very good for your skin, that will help to improve your skin tone. Okay, so today's video we're going to focus on majorly the body. Okay, I'm going to be giving you guys a body care routine for dark skin tone. So if you know you want me to make a face care routine for dark skin tone, let me know that on the comment section and I will definitely do that for you guys. Okay, now the first step should be your soap. Okay, and a very good body soap that I would recommend. I'm going to be categorizing this video based on your skin type, because as a dark skin tone person, you might have different kind of skin types. You have an oily skin, you have dry skin, you have normal skin, combination skin. So I'm going to be categorizing products based on your skin type. Okay, so if you have a dry dark skin, I'll be recommending the Dove Pampering Shea Butter Soap. Guys, this soap is amazing. It contains shea butter. Shea butter is the key ingredient used in making this particular soap, and it is an amazing body soap that you guys can actually try out. The next soap on my list is the palm olive soap. This soap, everybody can use it. Okay, it's an amazing soap. You can get the palm olives, and actually a very good amazing soap that you guys can try. Or you can also try the Dettol 2X moisturizer with argan oil bar soap. It is a very good soap, and so you guys can actually try it out, and it's going to give your skin that glow. Okay, on a very strict budget, I don't have so much to spend on skincare, where you can actually try the Coson bar soap. Coson bar soap is very good. Now for body washes, so if you want to try out body washes, you can try the Dove Pampering Shea Butter body wash. Okay, so if you know you just want to smell good in the shower, you can actually try it out. We also have the Dr. Teal's Glow and Enhance body wash. This body wash is very good. It is very good. It's going to help to glow your skin over time, guys. This body wash is amazing. Another body wash I'm going to be recommending is the St. Ives Soothing Oatmeal and Shea Butter body wash. It is an amazing body wash, and guys, it contains oatmeal. So if you have a sensitive skin and you're looking for a body wash that is going to actually do a good job for you, well, you can try out the St. Ives one with oatmeal. If you know you want to, maybe you have a textured skin, you have uneven skin tone, and you want to actually smoothen out your skin, and you want to glow up your skin, and you want to get rid of all those dark spots, or you can try out the Olay Niacinamide body wash. Guys, this body wash is amazing. It's going to help to smoothen out your textured skin. It's going to help to glow up your skin because of the niacinamide in it. So you guys can also try the Olay Vitamin C body wash. If you have uneven skin tone, maybe you have uneven skin tone, you have hyperpigmentation, you can try out the Olay Vitamin C body wash, and this body wash will not, I repeat, it is not going to bleach you. Vitamin C does not bleach the skin. Okay, it does not bleach skin. It's an antioxidant that's going to help to brighten out your skin tone. So if you know you have hyperpigmentation, you have uneven skin tone, you can actually try out the body wash, and it is good for your skin. Okay, so another step again is your body scrub. You have an oily skin, where you can try out the Dr. Teal's Glow and Enhance body scrub. It is an amazing body scrub that you guys can try. Dr. Teal's scrub is really nice. And if you also have an oily skin, maybe you have an oily and normal skin, or combination skin, you can also try out the Tree Hot Shea Sugar Scrub. It is also a very nice scrub. But if you have a dry, sensitive skin, even normal skin types can actually use it as well. You can actually try out the Dove body polish. It is very good. So they have different types of ranges of the Dove body polish, so any one that you just like, you can actually try it out, and it is very good for you. Okay, so the next step is your body lotion. I know you want to use a body lotion that is going to help to glow up your skin, and it's going to help to actually target some specific skin concerns that you have. And a very good body lotion I'm going to recommending is the E45 body lotion for people with dry skin. So if you have a dry skin, maybe you have a dry, rough skin, you can try out the E45 body lotion. It is an amazing body lotion for your skin type. Then you can also try out this one from Nivea, the Nivea Even and Radiant Advanced Care body lotion. Guys, this lotion is amazing. I feel like all skin types can actually make use of this particular lotion. This lotion contains lots of oils and vitamins in it. So if you know you have a dry skin, if you know you have, maybe you suffer from stretch marks, you can actually make use of this particular body lotion. It is in fact, it is an amazing body lotion. Another body lotion again that is good for your skin type, or rather for your skin tone, is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Nourishing body lotion. Guys, this body lotion is super good. If you have a dry skin and you also suffer from stretch marks, this body lotion is really good for your skin. Like, it's going to give your skin that glow. It's going to help to moisturize, like deeply moisturize your skin and give your skin that amazing glow. Another body lotion that I really love a lot is the CeraVe moisturizing lotion. Guys, this lotion is really good. So if you know you are of a dark skin tone and you want to glow up your skin, this body lotion is an amazing body lotion that you can actually make use of. There is this particular body lotion that I have seen and I have read so many reviews about. It is called the Vaseline Cocoa Glow lotion. Guys, this lotion is amazing, and it is very affordable. So if you know you are on a budget and you want to get a very good lotion for your dark skin tone, you can actually try it out. It's called the Vaseline Cocoa Glow lotion. So in fact, this lotion is amazing. In fact, it is an amazing body lotion for your dark skin tone. It is good for all skin types, so you can actually try it out, and it is going to do an amazing job on your skin. For body oils is the last part. You can actually try out the Vaseline Cocoa Radiant body oil gel. It is very good. So people who have oily normal skin can actually make use of it. Or you can try out the Palmer's moisturizing skin therapy oil. This oil is also very good as well. Like, it is good for all skin types, and it has an amazing smell, so it is very good, especially for people who have a dry skin. This oil is amazing. Then if you know you suffer from scars, stretch marks, or even skin tone, you can try out the bio oil. Bio oil is amazing. It is a very good oil that you guys can actually try out. Now if you have a sensitive skin, or you have an oily skin, you can try out the Aveeno daily moisturizing oil mist. It is very good. Like, I have spoken about body oils before on my channel. I'm going to leave the link to that video down on the description box if you want more details about body oils. Okay, now the next step, which is also a very important step, is your treatment lotion. Guys, everybody, I always advise that if you know you want to have a good skin, you need to start using 2 body lotions in your skincare routine. I've actually made a video on how to use 2 body lotions in the skincare routine. I'm going to leave the link to that video down on my description box. Now when it comes to treatment lotions are lotions that you get that will help to target some specific skin concerns that you have. So if you have uneven skin tone, if you have hyperpigmentation, if you have dark spots, if you have textured skin, or your skin is suffering from aging, okay, you guys can actually get a good treatment lotion that will actually help to target that specific skin concern. Now these are lotions that you don't have to use every day, okay? The lotions that you alternate with your body scrub. Maybe the days in which you're not making use of your body scrub, you can actually use them, because some of them contain some active ingredients that also help to exfoliate the skin. For example, we have lotions like amlactin body lotion. Now amlactin body lotion is very good, and especially for people who have textured skin, suffer from dark spots, this is an exfoliating body lotion, so using it together with a body scrub is not advised. You use this body lotion days in which you're not going to make use of your body scrub, and you use it only at night. Okay, the key ingredient in this body lotion is called lactic acid, and lactic acid is an exfoliating ingredient. In fact, it's a chemical exfoliant which will help to smoothen out your textured skin, help to exfoliate your skin and get rid of all those your dark spots and hyperpigmentation. And you use this body lotion at night. Okay, now if you have a dry skin and you have a sensitive skin, I advise that you get the amlactin. But for sensitive skin people, you need to perform a skin patch test first, know whether it is compatible for your skin. Okay, now if you have an oily skin and you want to get something that is way higher than lactic than amlactin, where you can try out the alpha renewal body lotion. Now this body lotion is very good. It contains glycolic acid, 12% glycolic acid. If you know your oily skin is not sensitive, okay, then you can use it, because this particular alpha renewal body lotion can be harsh because of the percentage of glycolic acid it has in it. Okay, so my advice to you is that it performs the same thing. It does the same thing that the amlactin body lotion does. It's also an exfoliating body lotion that you will not want to use in the daytime, but only at night, in which you're not making use of your body scrub. Well, you should actually make use of it. Now the reason why is because you don't want to over exfoliate your skin. Okay, so that is the last step for this video. Okay, I hope you guys actually enjoyed this video. Let me know under the comment section if you have any questions you want me to answer, or you have any suggestions, or if there are any videos you want me to make for you. Let me know that also on the comment section. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye.